Presenting powerful, lightweight SWC 50 magnetic drilling machine from the house of SCHIFLER Germany. Powerful 1500 watt motor. Twist drilling up to 25 mm. Morse taper 3 arbor for holding core drills. Dovetail slides for precise and smooth movement of slides during operations. Core drilling diameter 50 mm up to 50 mm cutting depth. Countersinking up to 50 mm. Please read operating manual for safety and other precautions before operating the machine. Install slide handles as shown. Mount coolant bottle on top of the machine. Adjust slides. Switch on the magnet followed by motor on and off switch. Now you are ready to use your SCHIFLER magnetic drilling machine. Drilling with twist drills. Twist drilling up to 25 mm. Drilling with core drills. Morse taper 3 arbor for holding core drills. Fix coolant nozzle into the arbor. Select appropriate speed. Insert pilot pin into the core drills as demonstrated in order to locate center of the hole to be drilled. Tighten screw on the flat surface of the cutter. Ensure coolant flows from inside the arbor during core drilling for better life of core drills. When using universal shank type of cutters, ensure that screws are tightened on the flat surface of the cutter and not on the holes of the cutters. Countersinking up to 50 mm. For drilling 80 length cutters, adjust slides as shown. Adjustable stroke and strong motor allows core drilling up to cutting depth of 80 mm for cutter up to diameter 32 mm. Using machine vertically or horizontally, ensure safety belt is strapped as demonstrated to avoid accident in case of power failure. Use cutting paste while drilling vertically or horizontally. Never use internal coolant system as coolant may enter motor during operation, leading to motor failure. To change slide handle drive from right to left, follow instructions as demonstrated.
SCHIFLER, your great drilling partner.